Today, we're gonna be installing a skid plate on a Tacoma 4th Gen. First thing we're gonna do is gonna remove the air dam. I know a lot of people don't like this. It doesn't look very good on the 4th Gen Tacoma. It gives it like an ugly look. It's not aggressive. But now we are gonna fix this with the TonnoFlip skid plate. First thing we're gonna do is we are gonna remove the air dam, all these screws across it. Look at this, guys. This Tacoma 4th Gen came with this plastic thing here. I cannot call it a skid plate. It's not protecting anything. We are gonna be removing it to install the TFP skid plate. As you can see here, you get 4 screws and you're gonna be using a 12mm socket to remove the screws. Look at this, guys. Do you think this will protect anything? It's just a plastic underneath your Tacoma 4th Gen. Let's do a quick comparison here with the factory plastic that the Tacoma 4th Gen came with and with the TFP skid plate. Look at this, very hard aluminum material. It also has the insulation in the back, so there is no noise while you're driving. As you can see here, it's a lot bigger, so it's gonna protect a lot more. Now, let's see the installation. Next thing we're gonna install is a support bracket on the skid plate. You're gonna be using a 12mm socket. You're gonna place the support bracket on top of the skid plate, and you are gonna be using a 12mm socket for this installation. First, you install the screw through the skid plate and through the bracket, and then you will tighten the nut. You're gonna leave it a little bit loose so you can place it on the factory hose and you can move it around. Now we're gonna be removing this hook here. It has 2 17mm screws, and then on the driver's side we have 2 more 17mm screws. We're gonna be removing those as well. As you can see here, guys, there is a lot of holes here. Some of them are threaded, some of them are not. But I just marked down with tape the ones that you're gonna be using for the installation. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just for the installation purposes, so you can know which one to use. Now we're gonna be installing this specific screw. We're gonna leave it loose so we can then slide through the skid plate, and then the second one is gonna be this one, this screw and this screw, so you are able to slide through the skid plate. The reason we installed those 2 screws first is to be able to insert it here and then slide it through, and then the skid plate is gonna be in place. Then you're gonna proceed to install the 2 other screws. Now we're gonna place the skid plate through the hole, and we are just gonna slide it through with the 2 bolts we already installed. Now the skid plate is in place, and we're gonna proceed to install the 2 other screws. Make sure you put it with the hands first, just to make sure you don't mess the thread on the factory chassis. This way you can prevent any damage to the thread. Next step, we are gonna be reinstalling this factory hook, and the 2 17mm screws are gonna go through the bracket and to the chassis. As you can see, there is no modification needed here for the installation of the TFP skid plate. Now reinstall the passenger side hook. Again, the same process. The screws are going through the bracket and through the factory threaded hole. Now we're gonna proceed to tighten those 4 screws. Now that we're finished with the hooks, we're gonna proceed to tighten those 4 screws on the skid plate. Don't forget to reinstall these factory screws all the way across the bumper here, and this is gonna be the last step of this installation. There is a big difference now, guys, with the TonnoFlip skid plate already installed. As you can see here, full coverage all the way back here. No modifications needed. It looks great. It's matte black finish, and a big difference, guys. This is not protecting anything on this Toyota Tacoma 4th Gen. This came from factory. This is just a plastic that does not protect anything at all. Look at this, guys. Very hard aluminum made TonnoFlip skid plate. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you like truck mods. Coming soon, we're gonna be building this Toyota Tundra TRD Pro, so stay here and subscribe to TonnoFlip.